Hi there! Welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate WooCommerce product description and image using ChatGPT while importing with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. This is the CSV file I have prepared for import. In this file, you can see I have added a field like product description prompt, which has a prompt that tells to generate content for this product title, and also I have added prompt for another field, featured image, to tell the chat to generate an image for the product. Also, I have added other essential product fields. Now let's see how to import. Visit the plugin page. Before import, first, we need to configure ChatGPT in the plugin. Navigate to Settings and OpenAI Settings. Here, enter your OpenAI API key. If you don't have one, go to OpenAI's website, create an account, and generate a new key. Next, go to the Import/Update section in the plugin and upload your CSV file. Select WooCommerce products as the post type and click Continue. In the field mapping section, map all the fields but mainly look for product description, post_content, and featured image fields that we're going to generate content and image with ChatGPT. Select Header Manipulation option from drop-down. Click on the ChatGPT icon next to the field, choose a prompt column. This can be your product title or any other relevant field. Set the word count. And for the featured image, select a column that contains a relevant product prompt. Once you've completed the mapping, save the mapping with a name and click Continue to proceed with the import. Hit Import. WP Ultimate CSV Importer will automatically generate product descriptions and featured images using ChatGPT. Let's check our imported product. And there it is. The products are imported, and the descriptions are fully generated and featured image too. No more manual writing. And that's it. You've successfully automated your WooCommerce product description and image with WP Ultimate CSV Importer and ChatGPT. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next one.